Welcome to Mornings with Mindy. This morning we are going to look at one of these shells that you may find. This is called a razor clam. You can see it kind of looks like one of the old-fashioned razors, you know, barbers would have used back in the day, a straight edge. Right now it's empty, as you can see. There's nobody in there. And oftentimes you'll find just one of these, not both halves. It is a bivalve, meaning there's two shells here. You can see that. And the actual clam itself obviously would be between these shells, and it will burrow down in the sand vertically, and it can go down really, really fast. It has a super strong foot that can come out really far from the shell and burrow down in the sand and then suck this down even a few feet down in the sand if it needs to, for safety. They are filter feeders, meaning that they kind of siphon out water and eat the little plankton and whatnot that's in the water coming through, and it's kind of why they're in this intertidal zone. It's a good place to be able to easily get some plankton. They are actually edible. Not the shells, the clam. They are actually edible. I can't say I've ever had one. I don't know if they're any good, but people will harvest these and serve them up for food. But if you've ever been wondering, like I said, it's rare to find one intact like this, believe it or not. Usually you just find half of one, but there should be two. It's a bivalve, and like I said, the common name is a razor clam. Other names, jackknife clam, there's a couple different ones, but I've always known it as a razor clam just because of its very distinct shape. It can also swim through the water. Well, swim is a loose term. It can kind of shoot through the water as it kind of pumps its shells and uses its foot, and it can zip right through the water as well. So it's a pretty interesting little critter. But if you ever find one of these long shells, that is the shell of a razor clam. So there you have it. Have a wonderful day.